We're going to bring our arms out to the sides with the palms up, and we'll have the arms not dropping below the shoulders. And we're going to bring the arms up with the left hand being on top, touching the back of the right hand as we, yeah, and we're going to do it with this very precise movement with the sound frequency HUD. Our eyes are at the third eye point. All right, and let's begin the practice. Inhale as the arms come up. Exhale as the arms come down. All through the O-shaped mouth. Vibrate HUD with each one. Feel the polishing of the arc line, which is your halo, goes ear to ear, over the hairline, your halo, and feel that you're expanding and projecting your subtle body. Keep going. Concentrate deeply. Inhale. Now start to stretch and move, holding the breath. Stretch and move and really stretch all around. Powerfully exhale. Again, stretch. Move. It's almost like a contortion. You have the body very tight and you're moving. Breathe out. One more time. And relax, putting the hands on the knees, palms up. Go very, very still. Go in deeply into the spaciousness of how expansively energetic, infinitely powerful, pure potential that you are. Go into this subtlety. See the unseen, moving the unmovable. Tapping into the Akashic records and greatly beaming your intuitive sense. When you're ready, take a deep breath in. And then exhale, let's bring the hands back into the center of the chest. One long sat and a short nam. Sat nam. Sat nam. Kriya to clarify the subtle body. This is very, very powerful Kriya. I do recommend that you do it early in the morning as it's very, very invigorating and super expansive. So enjoy Sat Nam.